Rero nigo murai bwense William Ruto na umusubati umutangani bwense Ruto barigania baraya basubati kurwase ebyombe ao chiribu isano kurwase obomo w'ekiombe kia maendeleo ya wanawake ENYOMBA y'Oburai enene aigase omoichio Nairobi.
Nigo asokogania kwabo kwarenge Koumerana no murai Ruto asoko basegeta nabo yoko basira asemirimo yabo one kiombe kia maendeleo ya wanawake kiombe kiga nigo kiarentire amo ababwatani nabo igabara ikura chinse mo chinse ime ya Kenya mulikito Edina Mora no robotero.
EKEOMBE kia maendeleo ya wanawake nigo bakora umusangirikano bo okera umwaka ime y'ENYOMBA y'Oburai aigo muchio Nairobi bakwariganirwa n'umurai bwense William Ruto na omong'ino ye Ruto. EKEOMBE ke giachagetiwe mwaka bweriwe yemo chimikianda 52 nigo gekoretamo abarai ba basubati na abasubati kurochinsemo ao ime yense ya Kenya. Umong'ina bumurai bwense Ruto oakeire mbuya abasubati asemirimo bagokora asatebire nabo bakogera ense yabano murembe nakoba ekeorokererikia asekegorie geke.
Sometimes as a woman when you're working you think someone is not seeing, but I want to tell you that the world sees and people see. Kwa hivyo asanteni sana to the leaders. I want to thank you for your resilience. I see the trailblazers here, women who have stood the test of time. And today the young women of this nation look up to you. Thank you for setting a great example for the young women of this nation.
Umurai Ruto asensemo yaye nigonere atogirie oburai bw'abasubati ase chisekta ao nonyena se obuteneneri bw'echibesa asagotebanga emirimo yabo nigeremiya ebwete eria yabasacha.
And I must commend the women of Kenya, the women of Maendeleo ya wanawake for their contribution to our nation. We have in our midst great women, trailblazers who have made our country what it is today. And I want to say to all the women and to the women who have made this huge contribution to our nation, we owe you, we are grateful, you have made our country better. Na mimi nasema asante sana. Ile budget kubwa zaidi tumefanya kwa miaka mitatu kama serikali ya Kenya. Ile kandarasi nyingi ambazo tumepatiana. Kandarasi yenye thamani ya shilingi bilioni 650. Inasimamiwa na huyu mama anaitwa Alice Oho. If anybody had doubt as to the capacity of women to lead, there is evidence and testimony in the women we have in the cabinet of Kenya.
Nigakwanira amagenderero yokoroisia amabaga yemeremo asabasae ime ya Kenya nechinse chesiko. Ase aenekiri obulendi asaba Kenya bali bagokora emeremo ase chinse chesiko.
Sikizeni kina mama. Hapa nikisimama na nyinyi. Vijana 540,000, 540,000 young people in the last 3 years are now working in overseas employment jobs that we have structured. Na ile kasumba ya zamani, vijana wetu wanaenda huko, wanaenda kufanyishwa kazi ambayo sivyo. Sasa tumekubaliana tunaandika bilateral labor agreement with every country Kenyans are working. Ndio tuhakikishe kama kuna shida tunaweza kuwafikia na wasidhulumiwe, walipwe ile pesa ambayo iko katika employment letter na tuhakikisha kwamba wanafanya kazi. Tunaelewana?
Kuripoteria ETV Nsoko erita Edina Mora.
Ukipata nafasi nyingine kidogo munitembelee tena.